Hi, I'm Deborah, and I want to personally welcome you to WREN Educates. If you're a woman who's ever felt called to real estate investing, but unsure where to start, who to trust, or even if it's possible for you, you're in the right place. I know what it's like to scroll social media and go to events and think, how are all these people building wealth while I'm still stuck in the grind? You're smart, you're capable, you work hard. But let's be real, real estate hasn't always felt accessible to women like us. That's exactly why I'm here and why I created WREN Real Educates. WREN is the Women's Real Estate Network. We're more than just a community, we're a movement of women who are done waiting for permission. At WREN, we give you the real tools, education, and coaching to start or to grow your real estate journey with confidence and clarity. Whether you're buying your first property, scaling your portfolio, or looking for creative passive income, we've got the step-by-step support to help you make it happen. We've helped women buy their first rentals, turn side hustles into true income streams, and even retire partners early. And the best part, you don't have to do it alone. So if you're ready to stop spinning your wheels and start building wealth your way, click below. Let's turn confusion into clarity and your dreams into keys, deeds, and legacy. This is your time, and at WREN, we've got your back. I'll see you inside because empowered women build empires, and it starts with one door.